Your Excellency, welcome to
We had officially opened.
Population is growing. Land has been subdivided, including here. People have now individual title deeds, and therefore land is becoming scarce. And because of that, we cannot be able to continue keeping 2,000 cattle per person. You know, now we have to do capacity building, train our people, you know, to strengthen their skills so that they know that somebody somewhere is having 2 acres or 5 acres, and in terms of the outcome of the investment of the breeds, whether it is beef or dairy, they are getting so much income which they are able to use.
When we were doing the estimates for this area, the number that we're expecting to utilize this market has doubled, and therefore there is need for more investments in the area. I think we shall continue partnering with you to ensure that we provide additional space.
We therefore are happy to embark on this vaccination program, whose objective is to protect livestock that closely coexist with our large, valuable wildlife population. And in so doing, we hope to prevent any potential spillover of the disease from our domestic animals to susceptible wildlife species.
We are talking about 2 million vaccines that we handed to the government yesterday. And it's really a milestone because this will really contribute to control and even eradicate PPR. We know how PPR has been really affecting the PT ruminants. And we know that this has also impacted on, of course, the rural communities, the rural pastoralists, and has affected their food security, nutrition, and sometimes even creating instability. So we are sure by this program, by this ceremony, by what we testimony yesterday, we will really put in place the mechanisms that will eradicate PPR